Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video we will talk about Google Sheet application on mobile phone, and I would like to give you a tips and tutorial how you can get a tidy organized table on your Google Sheets documents. So you will see in one cell sometimes we already set for the size of the columns. You want to let the column only have this type of width, I could say, so then the text that you have for one cells could be like longer than the border or the line of the cells here, so that they will be like just cross to the line that it's already created here. So if you don't want this happens into your files, you can just make this text just fit into the width of the cells. How to do it? You just need to go click the cells that you want to set, and the next thing you need to do is just go click this alphabet or A symbols, and then you just need to jump into the cells. Now we just need to go click the third line, which is the wrap text, and turn on the button, and let's just see the difference. Let's see. Now the text is going fit into the width of the columns, so there will be no text that crossed the line that you have been made for your Google Sheets documents. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully this video today is help your work activity. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.